Good morning from Disney's Vero Beach Resort. This resort stay has been amazing so far. If you didn't see yesterday's video where we arrived and checked out the entire resort, be sure to check that one out. I'll put that link in the description below. But today's gonna be an awesome day. We're starting out our morning by going to the Wind and Waves Grill for breakfast. We're gonna check out that restaurant, see how good it is, see if you should check it out for breakfast. And then we're just gonna spend our day kind of enjoying the resort, looking to do other resort activities, maybe play some daylight putt-putt, maybe rent some bikes, maybe go to the pool, that type of thing. So hope you follow along and enjoy this day at Vero Beach Resort with us. Good morning, Vero Beach Resort. You look beautiful today and smell just as good as you did yesterday. We'll walk in this direction to get over here to the Wind and Waves Grill. It's just gonna be through these doors straight ahead. And I love the classic beach feel of this. Here's the menu. You have your handhelds with your breakfast burrito, BLT, biscuit sandwich duo, and you have your traditional favorites. They look good. Some other good things as well. I got the French toast with bacon, and Amelia got the biscuits with some potatoes. So Amelia thinks that the food is very good, but the biscuit is super crumbly, so it's been very hard to eat, but she's really liked it. All right, here's the review so far. I thought the French toast was really good. I thought it was priced just appropriately. Like, you absolutely got the level of quality that you paid for it, which I think is awesome. Amelia's biscuit was very good. The chicken in the chicken biscuit was delightful. It was super good, super good. Her potatoes are some of the best breakfast potatoes just to eat on. And my bacon was good. So all around, it was a good breakfast, and it wasn't crazy expensive. I think yours was $9, $10, and mine was $12. So really not that expensive. So a great breakfast. Breakfast was delightful. Now we're gonna stop up at the green room and see about some specialty coffee before we get ready and head down to the beach. Let's do it. Here's the green room. Disaster has struck and the suitcase, my box of Whoppers, busted open and dumped all into the bag. Oh, this is a sad day. We are back out on the beach and it is a cloudier day today, but the waves are rolling in. It's still pretty. The waves are big today. It's gorgeous. The waves today are just like, they're crushing right here on the shore. Look at these things. Of course, as I come out here, they're small again. That's not crushing. Neither is this. They're just not really breaking right here. This one might if the water's right, but it's doing weird stuff. There it is. That's a big one. And here goes another one. Look at this thing. Monster wave. Huge. Awesome. Amelia avoids the ocean at all costs. She just likes to sit and read. I just came in out of the water and the sun is out and we have that beautiful blue again. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. We have sandwich stuff in the room and we're gonna hit the room for lunch. Let's do it. I got out my cookies to eat them and then Amelia judged me. Why did you judge me? Because I accidentally got 7.
Accidentally.
I can't wait. We are headed back out to the beach. Now at some point we're gonna have to spend a little bit of time at the pool, and at some point we're going to have to explore more of the resort. But we might do that later on. We'll see though, we'll see. But hey, the pool looks like a party still. But we're gonna go back out to the beach. The weather is wonderful for swimming right now. So I hope the tide is gonna be at a good spot for body surfing. It's breathtaking every time. It is so pretty. I think the water has somehow gotten more blue. And I'm sad because I don't think that the camera is picking it up. Like, maybe if I do that. I mean, look how beautiful that is. The water is absolutely gorgeous. Amelia's in the mood to swim, but she doesn't want to get in the ocean because it's very rough. Totally understandable. So we're gonna head up to the pool for a little bit, check that out for the first time. Also, this is the view of the resort from our seats. Very beautiful, and also it's cut off pretty well, so that's awesome. Into the pool we go. Here we go. Let's check out the pool. So, Amelia, what do you think of the pool so far?
It's really good.
I agree. The water feels really nice. It feels clean compared to the ocean. The slide's super fun. We're about to go down it, and I'm gonna take the video device down the slide and risk everything. We're gonna do it. Let's do it. Headed up the stairs. There's a view. You've got this little splash pad area down here, and that is awesome. But look at this view. Just absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous view. Once again, you see some of the other villas out here that are not part of the inn room. Just gorgeous. There's a Mickey. You can see several layers. I actually have gone down this once already, and it's pretty fast. Here's the Mickey-shaped pool. Let's see if we can see it. Oh, look, it's Mickey. It's awesome. There's Amelia way down there waiting for me. Let's see if she'll wave. Oh, there she waves. Yay. Here's a better zoomed out video of that Mickey Mouse pool. Here we go. Well, if I were laying down, I'd be going so much faster, but I want to protect the equipment. Oh man, I'm gonna have to lay down. Okay, here we go. Should have laid down. Okay. Here it is, here it is. Oh, nice. You gotta lay down for it to be fun, but it's fast and fun when you lay down. Well, the pool was awesome. We are going to return back down to the beach and spend the rest of the day hanging out down there, but this slide is one of the best I've ever tried at Disney World. So that's pretty awesome. Maybe the second best behind the Beach Club slide, so that's pretty impressive. We are now headed inside. We just dropped our towels off, but we're heading inside. We're going to get cleaned up and get ready to go to dinner. We are all cleaned up, and we're gonna head to Waldo's, which is a place in Vero Beach. It's just a place that we found, and we're gonna try it out, see if it's any good, and see if we can even get in. Last time we tried to go somewhere and the line was way too long, so let's see if this dinner tastes any good. We drove down more towards Vero Beach for dinner tonight, and it's kind of it's definitely a different feel than the other way we went or where Disney's Vero Beach is. It feels more like one of your bigger beach vibes, where the other direction definitely felt smaller town beach. Ooh, this guy's boxing. This is our goal right here at Waldo's. The wait was an hour and a half, so night 2 failed on the first place. Anyways, we'll find somewhere else and it'll be delicious. Okay, so we found a place called Riverside Drive. I think that it is going to be a decently short wait. We shall see. Hitting it now. No, I called it Riverside Drive. It's Riverside Cafe. So we'll see if this is successful. This won't shock anyone. It smells fishy under this bridge. And also we're eating at the Riverside Cafe. Jake Owen filmed a video here, and so I guess they named a sandwich after him. That's pretty cool. I'm a big peel and eat shrimp type guy, so I'm about to get a pound of shrimp for myself, and that's okay. Yep.
I got some shrimp.
I have the peel and eat. Amelia has the fish and chips. Woohoo! Oh look, a hidden Mickey that I just created at our non-Disney restaurant. That didn't take long. Amelia's over here still with their fish. That's where all my shrimp went. I just tried some of Amelia's fish. It was also incredible. So, Riverside Cafe, you get my vote. Very good. Oh, let's do this. Oh, we are in the car and we're about to head back to Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Not really sure. I think we're probably just gonna have a relaxing rest of our evening there at Vero Beach. But dinner was amazing, amazing, amazing. A lot of celebrities go there, so maybe you should also check out the Riverside Cafe here at Vero Beach. So good dinner tonight, and time to relax. Okay, so real quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm going downstairs to get a Dole Whip, but we're just gonna relax in the room. We got some hockey games on, that type of thing. But thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button. That really is helpful for me. The most helpful thing you can do is email ben@keysofdreamtravel.com. And if you need a trip booked, and let me help you out with that. That would be super helpful to me, but totally free to you and hopefully helpful to you. Hit the subscribe button and comment down below what your favorite thing about Disney's Vero Beach Resort is, or maybe something that you would love to see at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Let us know, and have a great rest of your day.